Here's my favorite. Here's a little image. This is NX CMM. And essentially by using the link to PMI, we're basically telling the CMM, I want to measure the features that I've selected the PMI on. And it is going to automatically choose, like I've got a surface contour you see on the propeller face, on the blade face here. It's going to choose the probe angles, the A and B angles. This machine has like a PH10MQ, I think. And it's going to choose your probe angles. It's going to take the data into the reports, so you no longer have to do that. And literally, in minutes, the whole process is done. I'm going to show you a quick video here. It's only 4 minutes. You might have to speed through it. But what you're seeing here is we're opening a propeller, and I'm kind of showing a little bit more about how the PMI is organized. This view has all of our PMI visible, just for like a screen preview, and so we can see everything. Then you'll notice I've got views with my PMI, and I've got a PMI all, which is currently showing, a PMI bottom, front, and so on and so forth. So you can see I'm showing the different views that you can have and how you can organize it for best consumption, depending on what you're measuring or what the shops will use. At this point now, we're going to go ahead and create a CMM program. This video, by the way, I think is 4 minutes and some seconds. And in 4 minutes, what you're going to see here is we're going to create a CMM program. We're going to realize that the part in its default orientation interferes with the CMM. And so we're going to simulate the program, and we're going to fix it, and we're going to rerun it. So at this point, again, we're showing the fact that the PMI, you can choose the views that were already created. So let's say, you know, we're creating a sub-assembly, and we're sharing it with a OEM. We've organized the PMI as we're instructed by their documentation that tells us what to do, and we can choose to apply those views and not recreate views. And you'll see here in a moment, now that I've selected that I do want to use the PMI that the engineers created, I can then apply it to my views here in the CMM program so that I can custom tailor it a little further, and so that maybe I don't have to look at the PMI all view.